working magic, Jeremy. They go right on here. You solving miracles. Look at that mask knee. Like you might win an award.
What's up, guys? We are back for part 2 of doing my best friend's makeup. We're going to do a little bit of a Halloween kind of vibe today. Like my chin right here, it's scary.
Wore my mask knee, so it's 2020.
So, this is Erin without any makeup on. We're going to do start to finish, so here we go. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so I'm going to start out with a little E.L.F. poreless primer. And
well, that one's tinted. Mine's not tinted.
Why not?
I don't know. Mine's like white.
Is it white or is it yellow?
No, it's white. Like ghost white.
Ghost.
Mm-hmm.
Usually I do this with my hands.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that we have our primer on, we're going to start with concealer.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just going to get some, put it on the back of my hand. Ooh.
Nice little noise there.
Little suction going on. Just going to take this brush and I'm going to just hit all those spots. When you use a concealer up underneath your makeup, just always make sure you give it enough time to dry. Because if not, then it doesn't do its job and it just blends right on in with your foundation. And this is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. The Hydro Concealer is really good too. But this is just the Camo.
I wish you knew how many people learn so much about like concealer from your videos of like it just going first. Like so many people, I've always done my concealer on top of my...
You can still do it. You can actually do it on top of the skin too. But it's actually supposed to be done under your makeup.
Yeah, it looks so much better that way.
When you're taught professionally to do makeup.
Got the tips.
And this looks a little crazy, but it goes up underneath your foundation, so nobody's gonna see it. Some people have big pores and some people have little pores. And you have small pores. Okay, so she looks crazy right now. You're gonna look a little crazy whenever you do.
I feel way better about this than before, so thanks.
So today, because I love E.L.F. so much, and I woke up with like a big pink spot on my nose this morning. Erin's never used this. You guys know that I love the E.L.F. Acne Fighting Foundation. I also have it in her shade, so we're going to use it today on her because I don't think she's ever used it before. And that's my favorite drugstore foundation.
And so it has salicylic acid. Yeah, so that's the acne stuff, which is so smart while you're wearing your makeup.
It's helping your skin.
That's cool.
And I've tried a lot of different foundations. There's a bag full of just a few over there. And they can cause me to break out even when I just have them on while I'm filming. But this right here, this and mine, I don't ever break out. So, E.L.F. or Jeremy Vandiver. So, those are the two I usually will always have on camera. You can tell I use it a lot because it's almost gone. But this hydrating is really good. It doesn't crease under your under eye.
This is like the Shape Tape kind of competitor.
This is like E.L.F.'s version of Shape Tape. In real life, do not draw triangles under your eyes. That is not how you're supposed to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to a dot in the inner corner, a dot on the outside, and one right there. And you might not even need the one in the middle. And you just work it on in. If you do your concealer under your makeup and you stop doing those stupid triangles, you're going to save a lot of concealer and you don't have to buy concealer as quick. This is like the best concealer I've ever used. So I always use a very matte foundation because even in like the hour that I have to wear it to film, if I wear something that is not matte, I'm super, super shiny by the time I'm done filming.
Yeah.
So
I will say the powder, the setting powder that you've been telling me about, like it has really been helpful for that, like my type of skin. So.
And you and also you could probably take a little bit of that with you, like keep like a little small thing in your purse, and you could use that to and just like a little brush. And you could actually use that to, if your skin gets oily throughout the day, just tap a little bit out and then dust your face with it.
It's like when people say they're going to powder their nose.
Put your powder in your face.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go, like I said, with the E.L.F. We're going to go ahead and start laying foundation down. And one thing, don't do like beauty gurus and be dripping makeup on your face. That is the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. To drip product on your face. So, this is the best way to do your foundation. Start with a small amount and work it. It's best layers. This is the part where people like go to sleep on me. Let me give y'all a little. Oh, I look so pink. Hey, and I'm shining. So let me give you a little bit of to hide something. Okay, right here, she had a pimple and it has a little bit of a scab on it.
It's hard to cover, yeah.
So if you're self-conscious about that, you can always take that and make it into a beauty mark. Take like an eyeliner pen or something and just put a dot on that.
That's smart.
And make it into a beauty mark. Okay, so that's our foundation on. So if you're using like a contour cream or whatever, that's cool. You can also use a darker concealer. This is the NYX to do your contour with. You're going to have to go with a much darker shade. So that means you're not going to use that much. What I like to do is I like to do a couple of dots at a time. And then I like to work them in. Because if you dot a whole bunch on there, then it's going to dry before you can get it worked in.
Yeah, I would have been so scared to use that color.
Well, it's okay if you just use a little bit. And then sometimes, like today, what I'm going to do is, even when I use this, I'm still going to come back with a little powder, I think. If you're wondering where you're supposed to contour your face, like for your cheekbones, take a makeup brush, put it to the top of your ear, and come down. That tells you where you're supposed to contour at. Since this is so dark, we're not gonna go with that much. And also, don't bring your contour all the way down here to your mouth. Don't be like looking like a crazy cartoon person. Like, don't do that. And this is where it gets real. So, take your thing, start behind the ear. I do really light. Okay?
It's like how they do surgical spots. You know what I mean? Like when they draw and then they're like, cut this shit out.
So, behind the ear.
Okay. Video.
It's alright. I'm not monetized, so we can curse a little bit. And if you're like me and you have like a little gobble, this is where it really comes into play, because this is creating shade, so it's going to kind of disguise a gobble a little bit. I call it a gobble.
Just in time for Thanksgiving. No, because we're taking it away. So
yes. So we're making it disappear.
Getting creative.
Okay, so now you've created shadow.
Oh, it's so crisp.
And as you can see, you can't, if you turn towards the light a little bit, yeah, you can't. I mean, it just looks like a jawbone.
Yeah.
Like your jawbone. What you're doing is you're manipulating light.
Pretty cool.
And then we're just going to set her under eye. Not a whole bunch of powder like you see other people use. It's just, all you need is a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up here too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do a little shade there.
I mean, I have it somewhere. It's somewhere here.
What's the one at Walmart? What's it called?
Cody Spun.
Yeah. It has all
I put air onto it, and she was like, it smells like a lady a little bit.
It works so great, but I think that it's also helped contribute to some of my mask me.
Really?
I swear, because I've been putting it here and here. I don't know.
Okay.
Just the fragrance.
So, you don't need to leave it on for very long. See, look at them lines.
It made that line so... Did you see me? I was like, what is this?
It's like It's like a straight up
Real.
YouTube beauty guru out there.
Mm-hmm.
So now.
Wow. It's flawless. Oh, look at the other one.
And this is really where you start to see your contour kind of kick in.
Look at that line. Why do you think I'm kidding?
Because I do. Because I don't really think of people like watching my videos.
I guarantee you.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so that's Erin's foundation and contour done. Well, oh no, we're not done yet. I forgot the nose. We were told that we wanted to do something scary for Halloween, and we were told we couldn't do that. Erin's husband wouldn't let us have Halloween fun. He said, "No, all you can do is regular makeup." And I said, "God, you won't let us have any fun."
He doesn't want me to be a fright. Like
He
he's always say, like, if he sees me be a fright, then it'll be a stuck image. What a cool name.
Earth and Ocean by E.L.F, my favorite.
Oh my goodness.
So we're gonna go into
Mojave Mommy.
Let's edit that part out. So we're gonna go to
Mojave Mommy.
Okay. We're gonna dip into that color.
All of those are so. Look at Lagoon. Ooh.
So we're just going in. So I'm just pulling this brown up. You're always going to want your makeup to go at an upper angle, like this.
Because the aging process makes things droop.
Because it'll look really bad.
It's more youthful.
Yeah. Okay, so now that we got that on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this color, Spruced Up.
Spruced Up. I don't know why my hair looks like roasted straw today. Roasted straw? No, it's just straw. You know what I'm saying? Like golden straw. You see how it looks like I have like highlights or something?
Yeah, it does. Okay, let me see this side. I blowed that out because we want it to be dramatic. So we're gonna want it to go up. I'm gonna change my brush and I'm gonna go into a smaller brush. This is like a detailer brush, and anytime I do black, I like to use this because black is very fidgety to work with. It can be very, very difficult to blend out. So I always just go very like as light as I can with black.
Ooh, pretty. Wow. Spooky spook.
But I didn't know that I was going to be doing the makeup tutorial.
Well, you
today.
have to be ready, just like
I do.
Beyonce's makeup artist.
I do have to be ready.
You don't know what you
I have to be ready for Beyonce. Beyonce could come to Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Yeah.
And I have to be ready for her.
You have to.
Times.
It's like a fire drill.
Yep. Jeremy, are you ready? I'm ready for Beyonce.
It's like a makeup fire drill.
Okay, so then I'm going to start from the inner corner. Work my way out. You feel it cold?
Look cool. Look cool.
It helps. Anytime you're working with metallic, you're going to want to wet it.
Uh-huh.
It helps the pigment stick. Okay.
Ooh, look at that. It's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
5:36.
Let me get fake lashes on. Cut for me?
I told you we were bumping and grinding.
I'm skipping that. I'm on time for it.
Except, oh, snatch.
Okay. Always work your band on your eyelashes.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle. Left eye.
Left eye.
I'm a makeup artist.
You made me question. I was like, whatever you say it is. It is.
You're like, I don't know my left from my right.
3 minutes. Oh, I didn't know it was going to come out.
Oh yeah, it comes right on out there.
They could have made it a squeeze bottle if you really think about it.
Well, this is just, they just give you this just as like a little extra bonus in the pack.
Oh, okay.
So you hold that for me.
I will.
Okay, close your eye for me. Hopefully we don't have to good anymore.
Do you hear me say you're 15 years older?
I did. I hear you dissing me at my age. Do you put fake lashes on?
No, I did not.
Why?
Because I'm lazy.
Yeah, you should have put a little.
You should have done my
bit of
makeup.
lash.
A true best friend would have insisted.
I don't think I was working that day.
Yeah. Well, you should have quit your job clearly and come and help me.
They'd be like, "Why aren't you at work today?" My best friend is being interviewed by Northport Gazette.
The Gazette.
Okay, what's our time, Erin? What's our time?
Probably 1 minute now. I can't see because I've got my eyes
You
closed.
can open your eyes.
It looks so good with the green. The green. Yeah, he said we could do green, so you should. If you have green, you should do green.
Okay.
Okay. It's gonna stay if you don't get it. I really am bringing. Look at me.
I'm crying.
Okay, find the green lip. Find the green lip. You have 0 minutes. It's 5:48. You're gonna be late and tardy.
Oh, your buckle is like jacked.
Your buckle's jacked.
So there you go. It's like a little grungy. Oh, you know what? Well, we don't have time. This lip is a little dark, but what you can do is take and go back over on top of it with this Sahara color right here, and it'll lighten it up and it'll give this really cool, and it'll tie the lip, the eyeshadow in. But this is the finished look. I'm really running really late. Yeah, this is like your basic grunge rock witch. So
it's a happy Halloween.
It is a happy Halloween. Very quick eye look. So yeah. Okay, so don't judge my makeup skills because of this video.
Happy Halloween to you all!
Happy Halloween, guys! Bye. See you guys.